Sending money across borders just became simpler and more secure with Xoom, a PayPal service, and this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. First things first, getting started is easy. Head over to Xoom.com or download the Xoom app. Look for the sign up or create account option. You'll need to provide some basic personal information like your name, email address, and a password if you already have a PayPal account. You can often link it for a faster setup, but it's not strictly required to use Xoom. Once your account is set up, it's time to send. On the Xoom homepage, you'll see a clear Send Money option. You'll then need to specify the country where you're sending money and the amount you wish to transfer. Xoom will immediately show you the exchange rate and fees, so there are no hidden surprises. Next, you'll choose how your recipient will receive the money. Xoom offers flexible options like direct bank deposits, cash pickup at thousands of agent locations, or even directly to their mobile wallet in many countries. Select the option that's most convenient for your recipient. Now, it's time to pay for your transfer. You can use a variety of payment methods, including your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Xoom uses secure encryption to protect your financial information, giving you peace of mind for every transaction. Before confirming, Xoom provides a summary of your transfer details, including the recipient information, payout method, and total cost. Double-check everything is correct, then hit send. You can track your transfer's progress in real time within your Xoom account, and your recipient will typically receive a notification once the money has arrived. And that's it. Xoom prioritizes security with advanced fraud monitoring and data protection, making it a reliable way to send money to loved ones worldwide. Happy sending!